Memento, please.
Kirsten, do it again. Oh, my heart hurts. Kirsten, do it. I can't breathe. Hold on. What? See why it's so fun. Wait. You're not doing it right. You gotta put your nose on the pillow. Do it. What are you talking about? Kirsten! What are you talking about? Kirsten put her nose in the pillow and was like, look at your nostrils. Do it. Are you recording? Do it. Kirsten, do it. I can't laugh anymore. My heart hurts. Oh, your heart. I have a hole in mine. I did it. You did it? I did. You nose straight down. That's what you're supposed to do. No, you were like this. I was like this. Wait, here. Recorder getting all the way back. I'm covering up my face. I'm gonna jump on you. Ready?
And of course, she ended the video.